What's up guys, it is me, CevoHD. In today's video, I am going to be telling you how to make a basic command and set up discord.js files and all that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe because that would help massively. And let's just get into it, shall we? So first off, you're going to make sure you have installed Node. I will leave a link in the description to install Node. And once you have done that, just make sure you have a editing software, programming software. I'm using Visual Studios, and yes, so you're just going to go into a terminal, and I'm going to just use the Visual Studio terminal. You're just going to write npm init, and then you're going to let it do its thing, and then you're just going to enter it all. You don't have to fill all this in, it doesn't matter. Now once you have done that, it should create a packet.json here. It should tell you the version. It should also tell you the version here, which is, it'll do that in a sec actually, never mind. And now we're going to install discord.js. So how we do this is do npm I, which is basically install, and we're just going to do discord.js, and then it's just going to install all of discord.js, and that should take about a few seconds. Shouldn't take too long. There you go, discord.js is loaded in, version 13.8. Now we're just going to create a new folder. We're just going to call this index.js. Now, once we have done this, we can start coding. All right, now we're going to have to import discord.js. So we do this by doing const, and then we're going to do discord, give it a name, and we're going to do require, and we're going to require discord.js, and then we're going to do we're going to get a token variable. So we do this by just doing token, and then you put in your Discord bot token, which you get on Discord developer. And you just paste that into there. And then we're going to set up a prefix as well, because this will just be handy, so we can just, prefix. You don't want to just type a normal word and it pops up, do you? So we'll just do prefix, and you can equal anything. We're just going to do exclamation mark, something simple. And that should be it. We're also going to have to set up the client real quick. So client equals new discord.client, it's capital C in it, client, and then we're going to do brackets, and then curly brackets, and then we're going to enter that, and then we're going to put in some intents. So intents, and the intents we're going to put in an array, so we can put multiple intents. We're going to put in the guilds, and then we're going to put in the guilds messages. You can use other ones, but we won't need them right now for what we're doing, because we're just going to be doing a normal command. So now we're going to use a client on ready function. Basically what this does is just says that your bot's online, so you can see that your bot's actually on. So yeah, how you do this is pretty easy. Just do client.on, and then we're just gonna do ready, and then brackets, and then equal greater than sign, and then we're just gonna put them in curly brackets like that, and then we're just gonna display what did I use the wrong curly brackets. Now we're just going to display like it to the console. So in the terminal down here is pretty simple, console.log, and then we're just going to put in the bot is online basically. So bot is online, and that should be that for that. So if you run the bot, it would say that. But now we're going to make something where you can actually like put something in and type in the Discord chat. So how you do this is you do client.on, and we're going to do message create. So message create, and then we're going to get the message. This can be anything, but use message is practice. And then equals greater than, and then we're just going to put brackets there, and then we're going to do if message dot content is equal to, and then we're gonna use the prefix. So as you see, we've got a prefix variable already. You can just do this for everyone, just put the exclamation mark, but I mean it's optional if you want to do it like this. And then you can just put the prefix in. It's just, I don't know, it's just a bit better to do it like this in a way. And then you can just do ping, and then we've got the you can either reply it or you can just send it normally. I'll show you how you send it normally, and I'll show you reply. Replying's easier, but it's up to you. So you just do message, no, you just do message dot channel dot send, and then if you do it like that, it will send it without giving you a reply. But if you want to do a reply, just do message dot reply, and then we're just going to put Pong, just like that. And we're also going to have to put the token in as well. So you do this by doing client.run. Wait, no, client. I forgot what client.login. That's it. I was thinking of Python. And then you're just going to put into type a token over here. And now that should be it. If you just go in terminal and just type node dot, it should run. I forgot how you run in Node. I normally just click this plus play thing here. Okay, yeah. If you want to run it in the terminal, you just do node, and then you just do index.js, and then it should just load up the bot. And then once your bot is loaded up, if we just do !ping, it's going to say Pong. There we go. That is simple. So that is how you set up a basic commands with JavaScript. So yeah, so if you want to do other commands, you just copy this basically and just replace the Pong and the ping. So pretty simple. If you want me to do another video on Node.js, if this does well, I will do another one, and I'll just grab how to do embeds. And then if that one does well, then I'll do buttons. And yeah, because I have seen a lot on the internet that this doing Discord.js can be really confusing. I see a lot of people just do it and give up after, because every tutorial seems different. So I'm going to try to do it as simple as possible and in the less code as possible. So yeah, so